Hi friends, welcome back and this is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to push or publish our Docker image which we have created in the last session. Okay, how you can able to push to our public repo, that is a hub, public hub, how you can able to push. Okay, and this is the way we are pushed we build our application, that is a docker build -t locate 705 slash hello world second version of release and dot we provided and we hit it right, and this one we need to push to this remote docker public hub. Okay, how you can able to create, and this particular one, that is my local remote docker container id. Okay, container id, and you are also you need to sign up and you can able to create your container id and then you can able to use it. Okay, if you use that is help for you because to understand what all the things is presented and everything. Okay, and before that you have to launch this particular docker desktop and keep it. Okay, these are the two things you have to do before pushing into the docker into the next level. Okay, and once you're done and just you can hit and you can copy paste into docker ids some separate plane. Okay, without that if you forgot then again it is a issue. Okay, and if you forgot the desktop is present here, right, you can log in and it will provide you for docker id. Okay, even you can able to web application also you can able to log in into that. Okay, then we can able to search for our docker which we have done for last video session, docker images. If you hit it will provide you for which is the last one we can able to do. This is the python hello world, is the second version we have done, right? Now same thing I have is I kept here also, copy. Okay, now we need to do for pushing into that particular one, how you can able to push that particular docker, docker push, docker push, and you can able to provide for this entire information. Okay, or else you can able to use for image id also, that is also okay. Copy this one, we'll try for both the cases, no issues. Image, and you can able to hit it now. Now you can see an image does not exist locally with the tag, oh sorry, is not able to having the version colon 0.0.2 colon release. You can see now it is pushing everything now. Docker image id it is not pushing, and you can able to see the complete name of this particular one which we have used this particular name only. Now you can see here the pushing reference the repository docker.io locus 705 hello world python. Okay, the docker image which we have seen that is completely different, this is also completely different. You can able to see this all the things are completely different. It is pushed, layer already exists, some of the layers are exist. How much bytes it is having for this? 1992 bytes it is having the size of that. The release which one 0.0.2 release it is pushed. Okay, if I'm going to open this one and if you see for python, right here, now you can go for tags. Previous we can able to see for there is a 0.0.1 only we can able to see. Now you can able to see 2 also. What time it is done? The last pushed a few seconds ago back. Who is pushed? Lokesh 705. Okay, the last pull it is not showing because we are not pulled anything, that's why it is not shown. Okay, and if you go for again here, now you can see If you pulled something, then it will update here as well. The count will be increased. Whenever you pull something, then we can able to see here how much time it is taken pull and who's pulling and everything. It will be provided like here. Okay, even you can able to click for the star also in case if you like it. Okay, like this we can able to push it. It's a simple tag to pushing, because only one thing you have to do it here. You need to remember this part from here to here. You have to remember what exactly the slash before it is a Docker ID. After that, which is the project name, you have that project name, and which is the version you are going to commit, that is a version, and this is the release of that. To identification of the file, which is the file you recently committed. The dot indicates to building that entire application. Okay, this particular information you have to remember. Okay, without Docker ID you cannot able to, you can build it, you can keep it into your local, but you cannot able to push into the report because of this particular Docker ID. If you provide without creating ID, without creating any ID, just you copied here and you pasted here, and you can able to provide something like, you can imagine testing I provided. There are testing, there is so many peoples will provide. Okay, it will not match, and then Docker will give you some suggestion, 77, 55 or 44, like this it will provide something. Okay, then what will happen, that image which is the build you have done, that is a waste. Okay, it is waste of the space into your local, correct? And again you have to rebuild for that, which is a Docker ID is provided. Based upon that, again you have to do it, right? To do that, first create your account. Once you create, it will give you for your Docker ID publicly. It is a completely free, there is no issue. Okay, the based upon that ID you can able to create and you can able to use it. How to identify your ID? Just you can go for hub.docker.com /u hyphen /u slash and your Docker ID. Then you can able to directly see your Docker account. Okay, this is a way we can able to push. We'll see in the next video session. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.